2025 Porsche Cayenne GTS Review. Welcome to Auto Garage, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest automotive marvels. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Porsche Cayenne GTS, a perfect blend of performance, luxury, and practicality. Let us explore what makes this SUV a standout in its class. Exterior. The 2025 Porsche Cayenne GTS is a bold statement in design. It features a more aggressive front fascia, larger air intakes, and sleek LED matrix headlights that define its sporty character. The coupe-like sloping roofline accentuates its athletic stance, while the rear is dominated by a full-width LED taillight strip and quad exhaust outlets, signaling its performance potential. A wide selection of wheel designs, ranging up to 22 inches, lets buyers further enhance the SUV's already commanding presence. Porsche has also introduced new color options for the 2025 model, including striking metallic and matte finishes that emphasize the Cayenne GTS's dynamic proportions. Functional design elements, like the adaptive rear spoiler and aerodynamic enhancements, not only boost aesthetics but also improve performance. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that exudes premium craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Cayenne GTS offers a driver-focused cockpit with a 12.6-inch curved digital instrument cluster and a redesigned 12.3-inch infotainment display powered by Porsche Communication Management (PCM). The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced voice controls, ensuring seamless connectivity. The seats, wrapped in a combination of leather and Alcantara, provide excellent support, especially during spirited drives. Red stitching and GTS logos throughout the cabin add to the sporty appeal. Rear passengers are treated to ample legroom and adjustable seating, ensuring comfort on long journeys. The optional ambient lighting package allows drivers to set the mood with customizable colors. Porsche hasn't skimped on practicality, either. The Cayenne GTS boasts a generous cargo space that can be expanded by folding down the rear seats, making it suitable for everything from weekend getaways to daily errands. Performance. At the heart of the 2025 Cayenne GTS lies a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine that delivers an exhilarating 473 horsepower and 457 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic S transmission, this SUV accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds with the optional Sport Chrono package. Its top speed of 168 miles per hour ensures the Cayenne GTS is as thrilling on the highway as it is on winding roads. Porsche's adaptive air suspension system is standard on the GTS, providing a perfect balance of comfort and precision. The system automatically adjusts ride height and damping, offering unparalleled handling dynamics. The SUV's rear axle steering and Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus PTV and further enhance agility, making it feel smaller and more nimble than its size suggests. Braking performance is equally impressive, thanks to Porsche's high-performance braking system, with optional carbon ceramic brakes for those who demand even more stopping power. The Cayenne GTS also offers multiple drive modes, including a customizable individual mode, allowing drivers to tailor the vehicle's behavior to their preferences. Conclusion. The 2025 Porsche Cayenne GTS continues to set the benchmark for high-performance luxury SUVs. Its striking design, meticulously crafted interior, and exhilarating performance make it a true standout in its segment. Whether you're looking for an everyday commuter with sports car DNA or a family SUV with unmatched driving dynamics, the Cayenne GTS delivers on all fronts. Thank you for joining us here at Auto Garage. Stay tuned for more reviews of the latest cars that redefine the driving experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.